A story of numbers, जिसकी थ्योरी और जिसका टॉपिक दैट इज रोमन न्यूमरल्स हम लास्ट क्लास में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. So in today's class, guys, we are going to cover the question based on it. So hi everyone, this is Vani Agrawal. So in today's class, we are going to cover the question based on the topic whatsoever we have studied in the last class. That is the story of numbers and the Roman numerals. So let's start with the question now. First, the first question that has been asked is what is the difference between the number system and numerals? Guys, we have discussed in the last class with the help of example that if we have a 5 objects and we need to count, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, and if we have a number 537 for example, so this is considered to as a numerals and this is the number system. Now what is the definition to this? So let's see the answer to this question. So answer to this question is this. Number system means a standard sequence of objects, names or symbols with a fixed order used for counting. And numerals means actual symbols used to write numbers. Example 0, 1, 5, 36, 193 in the Hindu system. So this is the definition and the difference between the number system and numerals. You should know this now. Okay, so let's discuss the next question. Before that, let's have a quick revision on the counting. We have discussed that previously we have 3 methods of counting. First is tally, letters and Roman system. So let's solve the question based on Roman system. I think you all have learned the landmark numbers and the Roman representation of each landmark number. So let's start with the questions. First question. Represent the following numbers in the Roman system. Before that, let's revise the example once again. We have learned one example that is 27. हमने 27 कैसे solve करा था? We have written 27 as 20 plus 7. 20 को we have further write it as 10 plus 10. And 7 को 5 plus 1 plus 1. 10 and 10 means x, that is x and x. 5 means v and 1 means 1 and 1. This is the Roman representation of the number 27. Similarly, we have to do these questions now. Let's start. First question is 1222. Guys, see, first you have to solve the question by yourself, then watch the answer. Okay, 1222. Let's write it as 1000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. What is the representation for 1000? M. Okay. 200 means 2C, which is this, C and C. 20 means X and X, and this will be this. This is the representation for 2. M double C double X and 2 double I is the Roman representation of 1222. So the answer to this question is M double C double X double 1. Let's discuss the next question. The next question is 302. Let's write it as 300 plus 2. I can write this 300 as 100 plus 100 plus 100 and 2, 1 plus 1. So it will become 100 is C, triple C, double I. So this is the representation of what we can say 302. That is triple C double I. Next is 715. Try to solve this question in the 30 seconds now. Let's break this 715 as 700 plus 10 plus 5. I can write this 700 as 500 plus 200. Why? Because 500 is a landmark number which has a Roman representation. Then we have 10 plus 5. 500 means D, 200 means double C, 10 means X, and this is V. Which means that D double C X V. This is the Roman representation of 750. So guys, अगर हमें Roman representation solve करना है, so the thing is that हमें landmark numbers and their Roman representation याद होने चाहिए. This is the basics to solve the Roman numerals, the question based on Roman numerals. Okay, now so let's discuss the next question. You need to find the following products. Okay, first is V into L. Okay, what is V? Okay, we can say V is 5. Now what is L? We can say L is 50. The multiplication is 250. Now you have to write this 250 in Roman form. How? Split it as 200 plus 50. 200 is double C. What is 50? 50 is L. C and L is the product of this number, that is V into L. Let's talk about the next part, that is L into D. Try to solve this question in next 30 seconds. L into D means 50 into 500, which is 25,000. Can I write this as M into M into M? How many times? This is 25 times. This is the Roman representation, or we can say the product of this. This is M into M into M. How many times? It will be 25 times. Okay, next question is V into D. Try to solve this question now. V is 5, D is 500. That is 2500. Break it out. What will be the representation? It will be MMD. 1000, 1000 and 500. So the Roman representation of V cross G is MMD, that is this. Next is the question 8 into 9, 7 into 9. This is the homework question to you guys. Write your answer in the comment section and do practice of this questions. These types of questions are done. So let's discuss the next question. You need to convert Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numbers. Now you have the vice versa or reverse question. Roman form is given. You have to convert that Roman form into a number. First question is this. Try to solve it out. Can I say it is 10? It is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 is the answer. So guys, for this we should know that what is the Roman representation of the landmark numbers. तभी we can directly write the answers. जैसे यहाँ directly 10 था, directly 4 था. We know that 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4 and 10 plus 4 is 14. If it is done, so let's discuss the next question. What is this? This is 10, 10, 7. 20 plus 7, which is 27. Next is XL11. Try to solve this question now in next 30 seconds. See, you will say, ma'am, X is 10, L is 50. In the lecture, in the previous video, अभी हमने एक चीज़ पढ़ी थी कि अगर हमारा फर्स्ट नंबर स्मॉल होता है एंड सेकेंड नंबर बिगर होता है, वी सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. फर्स्ट नंबर स्मॉल है, सेकेंड नंबर बिगर है, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. कैसे? इट इज 10, इट इज 50. व्हाट इज 50 minus 10? 50 minus 10 is 40. So it is 40. And we know that this 2i is 2. सो इट इज नथिंग बट 42. गाइस हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट तभी करना होता है जब हमारा फर्स्ट नंबर स्मॉल होगा, सेकेंड नंबर बिग होगा. So that's the reason you always have to observe that whether your first number is small or greater. Small है तो please subtract them, greater है तो we will use the normal format that we are using. So this is this. So this convert this number into Hindu Arabic number. This is 42. So the question guys can be asked in both cases. आइदर या तो वो आपको नंबर दे देंगे, यू हैव टू राइट रोमन फॉर्म, या फिर वो आपको रोमन फॉर्म दे देंगे, यू हैव टू राइट इट इन हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर. सो फॉर दैट आपको लैंडमार्क नंबर्स, उनका रोमन सिस्टम याद होना चाहिए. दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग टू सॉल्व दीज टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. देयर इज नो शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स टू दिस, दैट हाउ यू हैव टू लर्न. You have to learn and you have to grab those landmark numbers and their Roman representation. Next, the next is you have to convert Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic. These questions are vice versa to each other. अब हमारे पास नंबर है, हमें उसको रोमन फॉर्म में लिखना है. See, 18 को I can split as 10 plus 8. 10 का we know x, 8 का this is this. We have discussed the Roman representation from 1 to 9 in the previous section. Go and check if you haven't watched the video. Please watch it. उसमें you have a detailed description that why 8 is written as this. Okay. Next is we have 29. Okay. 29 को we can write it as 20 plus 9. 20 is 10 2 times. 9 is this. So this is the Roman representation of 29. After that we have 46. Try to write the Roman numeral of 46 in next 30 seconds. Okay. For 46, we know that the Roman representation of 40 is XL, जो अभी हमने पिछले में डिस्कस करा. हाउ? क्योंकि पहला नंबर हमारा स्मॉल है, नेक्स्ट नंबर हमारा लार्ज है, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, इट विल बिकम 40. 40 plus 6, that is XL6. So this is the Roman representation of the number 46. Next what we have? Next we have 57. Let me write it as 50 plus 7. Try to write it in the numeral form. So yes guys, 50 is L, but we don't have the representation for 7. We can write this 7 as 5 plus 1 plus 1. So it will become LV11. That is LVII. Now you will ask, मैम हमें 7, 8 बार स्प्लिट करके लिखने होंगे. कैसे नहीं. अगर आपको रोमन न्यूमरल्स 1 to 9 याद हैं, so you can directly write the answers. You don't have to split it again and again. This is just for your practice. If you are starting from beginning, if you are a beginner, try to split it. Otherwise, अगर आपने याद कर लिए हैं after watching my first session, so you can directly write it like this. Okay. After this, the last number is 84. Try to write the Roman numeral of 84 in next 30 seconds. Yes guys, you're getting the answer now? See, 84 means 80 plus 4. Thing is that दोनों ही लैंडमार्क नहीं है. We have to convert these numbers into landmark numbers now. See, 80 को हम 50 plus 30 plus 2 plus 2 split कर सकते हैं. After that, 50 का तो हमें डायरेक्टली पता है, बट 30 का तो अब भी नहीं पता. what we will do, we will write 30 as this. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now 2. 2 ka we don't know. What we will do, we will write 2 plus 2 as 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now, अब हमारा पूरा क्वेश्चंस लैंडमार्क फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो गया है. Now we know the representation of each. So 50 is L, 10 is XXX, then we have 1, so we have 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, अब एक चीज और, you will say मैम फोर्थ का 1, 1, 1 होगा. No. If you have watched again my previous session, you know that Roman numeral of fourth is this. Why? Again the same concept guys. First number हमारा small है, second number high है. We will subtract it like this. So it will become 4. So Roman representation of what we can say 4 is this. So this is the Roman representation of 84, that is L triple X14. That's all. So guys, see, questions will be on these topics. They can ask you the difference between number system and numerals that we have discussed in the first. Further, they can ask you to write the Hindu number system in Roman form and the vice versa. The basic concept which I am repeating again and again is that always convert the bigger and bigger values into the smallest landmark form. Guys, if you know कि लैंडमार्क फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, लैंडमार्क नंबर्स क्या है, उनका रोमन रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है, दीज क्वेश्चंस विल बी वेरी मच इजी फॉर यू. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट 4 का लैंडमार्क नंबर ये नहीं होता है, 4 का लैंडमार्क नंबर ये होता है. सिमिलरली फॉर 9 not landmark number, Roman representation. Similarly 9 का Roman representation ये होता है, ना कि ये होता है. The reasons we have discussed it that अगर first number small है, second large है, we subtract them in Roman form. So guys, if you haven't watched it the first session, please watch it first, then try to solve this question. पहले question लो, stop the video, try to solve it by yourself, then continue with the video. So this is all for this session guys, but before ending, in the coming video, we will going to discuss the further part of this topic, in which we will going to discuss the remaining number system. That is not Roman. Roman तो हमने discuss कर लिया. We have a lot of number system that has been remaining. So now in the next session, we are going to discuss all those number system, and after that, in a similar pattern, we will be covering the question based on it. So I think this session is clear to you. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe it, and thank you for joining guys.